Well, we're off to Africa, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to tell our followers how we pack, what we take, what we must have. And unfortunately, you told me that we have to pack light on this trip because we're going to be traveling all over the place on small airplanes, and we have to pack light.
Yeah,
So,
a lot of restrictions.
okay, my favorite lens of all time, as we all know, is the 600 millimeter. What do you think? Can it come or not?
Well, you know, if you could replace that with a smaller but equally effective 200 to 600.
Okay, so that one, we're leaving this. Can you believe we're leaving this?
This one is coming.
This is coming, but we're leaving the 600 millimeter behind. Okay, that's going in my bag. And I love the new 400 2.8. It's the sharpest thing in the world. It's what they're shooting in the Olympics and the events and sports and NFL.
You brought it last time and didn't use it.
And I didn't use it that much because, why?
But you had the 100 to 400 and you kept that on your, this one.
Okay.
On your camera most of the time.
So this is my main workhorse, right? So I say this takes care of anything from 100 to 400 millimeters, so that's coming.
Yeah.
So now I have 100 to 600 millimeter
I got
cover.
one too.
Okay, yours is there.
We tried to share at some point, it doesn't work.
And then now they also have this new lens. I can't wait to try it. It's a 400 to 800, and I think I'm probably going to bring that just to try it. What do you think?
Well, I think if you have the 100 to 400 and then this one, you would be covered all the way to 800, and you can leave the 200 to 600 behind.
Okay. So all these favorite prime lenses that I built my career on, I can't believe they're all staying.
Yeah, like if we were going for 3 months, then yeah, but on a quick trip like this, you're in and out of airplanes, moving fast.
A 70 to 200, I think we should always bring it.
Absolutely. 70 to 200 is the other workhorse. And then I think we need a handful of wider lenses. Okay. And I think, I don't know, what do you think of this one, 28 to 70? Never tried this.
Let's try it. It's big and heavy, but I think it's going to be so beautiful and sharp and great.
So that we don't have to share, we bring the old 24 to 70, which I love.
12 to 24s, I think we don't need on this trip.
No, those start.
And then this is the other
this
200.
This one, 24 to 105.
24 to 105 is a great all-around lens, okay?
Yeah, and then I just want to bring this one. We have not shot with this yet, but...
the 50 to 150 F2 we're going to bring. So we have two very full carry-ons, but
I still think we have too much pull.
But I think, and if we each bring these bodies...
Two bodies each. And I'm not going to bring grips. I'm going to bring extra batteries.
Okay. Okay, so I think we can get this all in one airplane, just as our carry-on. We don't have to check any big lenses.
Yeah,
so,
one pair of shoes, one pair of underwear, off we go.
I'm going to bring this. I'm going to find a place to pack this in my luggage.
Such a brat.
Okay.
All right, well, that's it then.
Okay.
Nothing staying.